Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by finding the blank sheet and confirming it's empty. Open the workbook and navigate quickly with Control plus page down or Control plus page up until you reach the sheet. Right-click the Sheet tab to examine options and look for Sheet Protection or a custom name that hides content. To verify emptiness, press Control plus A to reveal the used range. If nothing highlights, the sheet is blank. Once done, make sure the workbook isn't shared or protected before attempting deletion. Next, remove any barriers and perform the delete. If Unprotect Sheet is available, click it from the Review tab or right-click the tab and enter a password if required. You must do this because protected sheets cannot be deleted. Once unprotected, right-click the tab and choose Delete, or use Home Cell's Delete Sheet for a ribbon path. If you have several blank sheets, hold Control and click each tab to select them. Then delete all at once to save time and avoid repetitive steps. Finish by saving and checking for issues. Immediately save the workbook or use Save As to keep a backup before large changes. This protects you if you need to restore. If the delete option is grayed out, make sure the workbook or structure is not protected, the file isn't in shared mode, and you're not editing in Excel Online, which restricts sheet deletion. If you delete the wrong sheet, press Ctrl plus Z or recover from version history. This is why keeping a backup matters.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.